Mark and Jane will accompany you in Monkey Jr.
Actions. Cry.
Cry. Cry.
We shed tears when we cry.
Sleep.
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 When we feel tired, we go to sleep.
Drink.
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 We can drink from a cup or a bottle.
Eat.
Eat. Eat.
When we are hungry, we eat. Cry.
Cry.
Sleep.
Sleep.
Drink.
Drink.
Eat.
Eat. Ox. Fox. 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 Or. Four. 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 Fire. Fire. Fire.
Words start with F.
Fin.
Fox. Fan.
Fat. Fit. Fix.
Baby things.
Milk bottle.
Milk bottle. Would you like to drink milk from a milk bottle? Teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Jane loves to play with her teddy bear. What about you?
Bib.
Bib. Do you wear a bib when you are eating?
Car seat.
Car seat.
Remember to buckle up when you are in a car seat.
Milk bottle.
Milk bottle.
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Bib.
Bib.
Car seat.
Car seat.
Buy.
Us.
Or.
Buy. Us. or, if, it.
Do.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Fantastic.
Eat.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Fantastic. Teddy bear.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Great job.
Sleep.
Can you pick out drink? Awesome. Drink.
Can you point to?
Car seat.
You did it.
Car seat.
Can you pick out?
Bib.
You did it.
Bib. Which one is?
Do.
Great job.
Which one is?
Or. Great job. Which one is?
Us. Awesome.
Tap on the picture to hear the word. Tap on the question mark to find the missing sound.
That is right.
Fox.
Awesome!
4.
That is right.
Fire.
Hooray! You finished the lesson!
Congratulations! You've earned a sticker! Play lessons to earn more stickers.